It's already 11:20 here in Vietnam, and this is the street where a lot of foreigners are just, hanging out on the street, yeah, having favorite pastime. See, wow. So they call this the pastime bar. I think this is the area where a lot of, foreigners gather and just enjoy each other's company, just talking, dining, something like that. So we're still out, and Elo's not with us tonight. Napagod na. He's sleeping na siguro, or playing there sa aming hotel. So grabe yung street na to. Ang daming mga ganap. See, look at this. Happy hour. Happy bar. Hot. Oh. So, yeah. This is a busy street.